Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are going to show you how to set up a navigation menu in Shopify. Let's get started. First, open your Shopify page and click on the online store. Next, click on navigation and then select main menu. On the main menu page, you will see a list of items. Let's remove the contact option and add a new menu item. To add a new item, click on Add Menu Item and then link it to your store by selecting Collections and then All Collections. Then click on Add. Let's add one more item by clicking on Add Menu Item and link it to Products. Select a product from your store and click Add. Once the item is added, you can rearrange it by dragging the 6 dots in front of the item to the section where you want to appear. To create a submenu, drag the item a little to the right. After arranging your menu item, save the menu and take a look at what it looks like. This is the process of how to set up the navigation menu in Shopify. Thank you for watching.